Hi! In front of me is TCL 408, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off autocorrection. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down to Access System. Now tap on Languages and Input, Virtual Keyboard, and Debird. After that, just click on Text Correction, scroll down and click on this switcher next to Autocorrection. Thanks to it, you can turn it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!